Alright, so we're going to take a look at three more examples of solving algebraic proofs. We want to line up all of our steps on the left side, all of our reasons on the right side. So this one's already solved for you, so we don't even have to do the algebra, we just have to recognize what happened from step to step. So when I go from step 1 to step 2, these two terms became a 3x. So although we've called it combining like terms the whole time, what we're doing is we're taking these two terms and replacing it with something else. That's going to be substitution. I'm going to just abbreviate that. Now from this one down, let me go ahead and change color. We subtracted 2 from both sides. 11 minus 2 gets us 9, 2 minus 2 gets us 0. So we did subtraction. And I can't abbreviate both of those, that wouldn't make sense. Now to get from 3x equals 9 to x equals 3, we got to take each side and divide by 3. So how did I get from step 3 to 4? I did division. Alright, the next one, same thing, it's already solved. Take a minute, write out the steps, lay them out in this format, and then we're going to fill in the properties on the right hand side. So to get from the first step to what I guess is now the third step actually, we're going to take the 3 and distribute. So distribution. Now from here down to here we took the 6 and the 1 and combined like terms, that's substitution. And then from substitution down to here the 7 went away, so that means we subtracted 7. And then from here down to the bottom we divided by 6. So division. So one of the big things to remember is it's not what am I going to do at that step. I didn't write division straight across from here. It's how did I get there. So I write division for my final step. We're never going to finish with a statement like done or prove or conclusion. It's always what was the last thing I did to get there. And then this last one, first thing we need to do is write our given. Our given is our if statement. When we did conditional statements, it was our if. And our proof statement, what we have to finish with, is x equals 3, our conclusion. So let's make a 2-column proof. Statements and reasons. And first statement is always the given. And it's always because it was given to us. So let me go ahead and change a color here. Let's get something a little darker. Sorry. Alright, step 2, what should I do to this? I want to take this 2 and I want to distribute. So I'm going to get 2x plus 2 equals 8. And I'm going to get that by distribution. Step 3, what do I need to do to this to start solving? And I want to subtract 2 from both sides. Since I want to subtract 2, I get 2x equals 6. And I got there doing subtraction. And step 4, how do I solve this? I divide by 2. And I get x is 3. Now that should match here. It does, which means step 4 is my final step, and I got there doing division.